Ciao, it's Ellie. Today I would like to share with you a short and easy morning routine to do it every day to wake up your body and bring in energy. Remember, be kind with your body, respect your anatomy and follow your breath. Let's begin finding a comfortable sitting position of your choice. Bring your hands on your thighs with your palms facing up. Your shoulders are down, back and relaxed. And your spine is nice and long. Close your eyes for a few moments. And connect yourself with your breathing. Try to visualize your breathing in and out. Now deepen your breath. And slowly open your eyes. Bring your hands on your shoulders and start rotating your shoulders. Big circle. Focusing on this movement of your shoulders. And reverse the rotation. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your nose. And come back to the center. Bring your arms in front. Palms are touching. Inhaling, open your arms, palms facing up. Bring your chest up, exhaling, palms together. And again, inhaling, open your chest, exhaling, palms together. And again, inhaling, exhaling. Inhaling, exhaling. Another time, inhaling, exhaling. Bring your hands on your thighs and start doing cat and cow. Inhaling, looking up, bring your belly out, exhaling around your spine. Extend your arms. Inhaling, chest up, belly out, exhaling, pull your belly in. And again, inhaling, look up, exhaling, rounding your spine. Other 2 times. We are waking up our spine and come back to the center. Good job. Arm on the side. Inhaling, lift up your right arm. Exhaling, lean on the left. Come back down and change arm. Inhaling up, exhaling, lean on the side. Other 2 times. Big inhalation and big exhalation. And come back down. Excellent. You can change your position of your legs. Bring your arms out, extend and reach with your right fingers, right. Come back to the center and left. Come back to the center and reaching, right, center and reaching left. Other 2 times. And come back down. You can move your shoulders. Extend your arms in front. Lean forward. Come back to the center. Lean forward. And come back to the center. We are working with our core. Come back to the center. This time, lean back and forward. Back and forward. Small movements. Another one. And back. And come back to the center. Shake your hands. Place your hands in front of your knees. Sit on your heels. Arms on the side. Spine nice and long. Inhaling. Lift up your hips. Exhaling down. Inhaling up. Extend your arms. Exhaling down. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. We are bringing energy in all our body. And again, last time, and come back down. Inhaling, come back with your arms up, right hand go on the right waist, and your left go on the back. You can follow with your eyes, and come back to the center. And back and in front and again and change. Bring your arms in front and back. Follow with your eyes. And stay with your breathing. Last time. And come back to the center. You can sit on your toes, curl your toes under. Try to sit just for a couple of breaths. And feel the stretch on your toes. I know it's hard. Stay in the moment. And slowly, hands on the floor and sit on your heels. You can cross your legs. And stay in the middle of your mat. Inhaling, exhaling, all the way down on your back. Bend your knees and lift up one knee at a time, knee to the chest. Like you are marching, but you are marching down on the floor. flexing your feet. Excellent. You can shake your legs. Arms like wings, and let your knees drop on the right, back to the center and to the left, back to the center and right. Inhaling, exhaling, drop. Inhaling center, exhaling, drop. Another 2 times. And come back to the center. Bring your knees to the chest. Flat your back. Extend your back on the floor. Pressing down. You can roll side by side. You can extend your legs and bring your feet for a happy baby. You can bring your feet out or in. You can decide. You have 2 options. And breathe and smile. Just like a baby. You can roll side by side, you can move your legs, or you can stay still. You are pressing down your feet. And slowly release your legs. Extend your legs just for a few breaths in Shavasana. Extend your arms, palms facing up. Just for a few breaths. Relax your body. Another deep, long breath through your nose. Sigh out. You can move your fingers, your toes, bend your knees, and slowly roll on one side, finding a cross-leg position. Your eyes are still closed, hands in front of your heart center, dropping your chin to the chest, open your eyes. Namaste. Thanks to everyone that follow me in this practice. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel.